Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to remove a Google account from your Android device. First, grab your Android device and navigate to your app drawer or home screen. Look for any Google apps. For example, you can choose Google Drive. Simply tap on the app to open it. Locate the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and a small menu will appear displaying various options and settings. From the menu, select Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you to the Accounts and Sync settings on your Android device. Scroll down the list of accounts until you find Google. Tap on it, and you'll see all the Google accounts currently added to your device. Choose the Google account that you want to delete from your device. Once you've selected it, a screen with more options will appear. The More option. Tap on it, and look for Remove Account and select it. That's it. You've successfully removed the Google account from your Android device. To verify the removal, go to any Google app and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. You'll notice that the Gmail associated with the deleted account has disappeared. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech-related content, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.